sasakyan natin aeroplano via Philippine Airlines.
Instructions on how to use them are seen on the fire extinguisher bottles. Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff. No preparation for takeoff. Please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew takeoff stations.
afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to flight deck, getting Captain speaking. For your flight information update, we're now currently in Manila at 45 minutes past the hour of 5, and we will inform you immediately should there be any changes. Please enjoy the rest of the flight. And again, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay.
Cavite na to.
Ay,
Sa Tagal.
SLEX na.
Ay,
Skyway.
Tabi ni Kyle Valley.
Sukat to, SM Sukat.
Tabi.
Sukat nila. Ganda rin pa ang sila. International.
Oh, Walmart. Sige, sarap na.
Mabuhay, we have just landed. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The local time for your convenience is 38 minutes past the hour of 5 in the afternoon, and the date today is 23rd of May 2026 on a Saturday. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead stowage bins to retrieve your items, as these may have shifted during the flight. All passengers with connecting flights out of Manila will be given priority. Remain seated until your row numbers have been called upon for deplaning. Passengers who need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Go, assisted by First Officer Ampong, and the rest of the crew, we thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. Welcome to Manila. Good afternoon. If you have onward connection on PAL flights, please proceed to the transfer desk. Passengers taking PAL flights departing from NAIA Terminal 1 may avail of our free shuttle service. Our ground personnel will be happy to assist you. We would like to remind everyone to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened while waiting for your roll numbers to be called for deplaning. Muli manatili po muna tayong nakaupo at hintayin matawag ang inyong roll numbers para sa maayos at ligtas na pagbaba. Maaari po lamang kayong tumayo at kunin ang kagamitan mula sa overhead stowage bins matapos marinig ang inyong roll numbers. Maraming salamat sa inyong cooperation. Clear check the baggage at carousel number 9. Once again, that is carousel number 9.
Ito yung press coach natin. Yung
Kaya makabuli tayo yun kay Edison. Hindi kay Shera ng bag.
Kinain na nila ate yung biscotti.
Actually, yung pag-video nyo.
Ang bigat na kay Edison. Kitang-kita.
Kasi last night nag-check-in, kaya last night na ayan o,
Depende
biscotti
kung saan kakabahan
yan,
nakalagay.
sabi niya kay Shera.
Tawa ng tawa, oh.
Yung ano, yung mangga na Edison na yun o. O yung mangga namin, like plastic.
niya kasi may nakakita sa kanya, dahan-dahan silang magbabako niya.
Kita nila yung binibaba.
Karot 67.
Ayun yung mangga natin.
Ayun yung mangga natin. Mayos ka
Oo,
167.
basta.
Maraming pinanggalingan. Si Kuya, mangga namin.